Hello and welcome to our Experience Center here in LVD, Belgium. We're pleased and excited to demonstrate our full automatic Multifold 2111 panel bender today. But first, what exactly is automated panel bending? It's a highly productive method to produce a full part without any manual intervention. The machine takes care of the loading, tooling setup, manipulating and bending. It enables faster production times, precise control, and significantly reduces the operator requirements. Even complex geometries that would be difficult or time-consuming using conventional bending methods are fully possible. The automated panel bending market is rapidly growing, driven by the increasing demand for faster, more precise manufacturing processes. Why is there an increased demand? For this, we see a couple of trends. Repetitive quality is the first trend. The ever-increasing cost of raw material pushes manufacturers to reduce waste material as much as possible. Industries focus more on reliable and precise production methods. Second trend that we see is reduced cycle time. The industry is responding to the global requirement of next-day shipping. The R-to-part time has become one of the most important factors in manufacturing. Next trend that we see is reduced batch sizes. Rather than ordering large batch sizes, the just-in-time principle is the more currently preferred principle. Next trend that we see is customization. A growing demand for configurable products in sectors like clean rooms, steel furniture, control boxes and fire doors drives the need for flexible and precise equipment. Another trend is labor shortage. Companies are seeking machines that simplify complex processes. A low learning curve coupled with high productivity is the ultimate goal of every enterprise. Let's look at the key features of our Multifold panel bender. It offers fully automatic bending, high repeatability and high productivity. It includes feeding, gauging, tool setup, servo-operated bending, sheet positioning and rotation. Automatic loading, unloading and stacking are available as options. The first system we will take a look at is our pick-and-place system with double sheet sensor. This can load the sheet from up to 6 different stack positions, or tables. Showcased today are 2 loading tables, which is our standard for our full automatic panel bending. So the pick-and-place system, picks up one part, checks the thickness to ensure that we only use one part, and it puts it on the offline gauging system. Sheet gauging is carried out at the offline gauging station prior to bending. During the gauging process, the length and width of the part is checked, ensuring the right blank is used for the job. We call this the offline gauging system because the process is done outside of the bending machine. This allows us to gauge the next part while the current part is still undergoing the bending process, ensuring a minimal part-to-part change over time. Our optional stacking system allows for the bended parts to be stacked on 2 or 4 pallets. The system is also smart enough to know if multiple stacks can be made on one pallet. In this case, our letterbox demo part is small enough so we can make 2 stacks on one pallet. Automated extraction and part stacking allows for fully autonomous working of the panel bender. It's also important to know that the system is always optimized according to the size of the panel bender. Now is the time to show our machine in production with our organized demonstration.